Newton's third law of motion. It states that to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, and the action-reaction forces act on different bodies. When person tries to jump from a boat onto the bank, the boat gets pushed in the backward direction. The action of the person in the forward direction causes the boat to move back. The boy on the skateboard pushes the wall, and the wall in turn pushes him in the backward direction. These two examples show that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Also, it can be seen that the action and reaction forces are acting on different bodies. In a rocket, the gases produced by the burning of fuel rush out at a very high speed. An equal and opposite reaction caused by these exhaust gases pushes the rocket upwards at a high speed. While swimming, the swimmer pushes the water backwards with his arms and legs. An equal and opposite reaction applied by the water pushes the swimmer forward.